Tired of losing your suitcase at the airport? We're going to make these unique luggage tags today. We're just going to use these Scotch brand self-seal labels, some scissors, and some really cute washi tape for this DIY today. Now, I'm using the Scotch brand. I found it really easy to use and the adhesive worked really well. There are several versions that you can get online. I made these cute little labels in my Canva. You could also use a Word document, or you could use the luggage tags that come with your actual suitcase. You're just gonna cut them to size to fit inside of these plastic labels, whichever ones you choose. I will link the Scotch brand below so that you can find the exact ones that I'm using here. I found them super easy to work with. All you're gonna do is cut the luggage tags out. I'm gonna grab my cutter here. You could also, of course, use a pair of scissors. I have this handy dandy little cutter. I think it makes, it was worth all the investment because it makes these straight lines super easy to go in and get my perfect little rectangle here. And then I found that when you go to put the label in, that if you just start from the back and peel the entire label off and just slowly go from the back forward, it was the easiest way to attach my custom label information without getting any air bubbles. And it was super easy from start to finish. So once you have the actual label part of it done and that part is ready, we are going to attach our washi tape to the border. Now, of course, washi tape is inexpensive, and so this is a great way to customize your luggage tags because you can change it at any point, you can customize it, and it is a great way to add color and pattern for you to be able to recognize your black suitcase that everybody has going around on that conveyor belt. So you're just going to cover the edges, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to not overlap the corners. So you're kind of going to want to cut out those corners. You don't want them to overlap because when we wrap it around the other side, you don't want those edges to stick to one another. So you're going to cut those edges out. And on the side where we're going to attach the actual plastic hanging tag, you're going to slide the washi tape slightly out as well, and you're going to leave that slot open, or you could cut that out with your X-Acto knife if you wanted to put that through. We're going to carefully peel it up, we're going to flip it over, and then you're going to simply fold down your edges and wrap the four sides of your luggage tag, and it is easy peasy, simple as that. We're going to put the hang tag in, and just like that, you have a unique luggage tag. Now, you know there are a million patterns of washi tape, and because it's so inexpensive, you can just peel it right up and you can create a brand new tag for almost every trip and never lose your luggage again on that conveyor belt at the airport. Hope you guys found this new washi DIY fun and helpful. If so, please be sure to hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. And be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want updates on all things washi tape and journaling, from our Wednesday washi tips to our DIYs.